Evening all, how are we? I'm just getting ready for Donna. I am preparing everything that she has sent to me, trying to be organised. Hi Michelle, how are you? I have here, well I won't show you what it is until she's come. Hi Kim, hi Clodagh, hi Neve, hi Donnie, how are you? Are you well, you feeling better? Hi Simon, hi Marie, hi Kaye, that's me. Sorry about that, Marie. Hi Sue M Walker 1, we're Lisa, I'm sorry if I say these things wrong. Oh, there's Donna, shall we let her in? Oh, she's joined, but she hasn't asked if she can. Oh, she has. Wait a second. Let's consider her. Here she comes. Hi, Christopher and Ash and Terry and Tracy. Sandra's looking forward to this.
Hi.
Hi there. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm fine. Sandra's looking forward to this, she says.
Woohoo!
Mm-hmm.
I'm from North Wales. Look. Aww.
Yeah. I was just saying, hi, Ivor. I'm getting ready tonight.
You mean you're not ready already?
I've got everything unpacked, and I tell you, of the things that you've sent me this week.
Yeah.
Hello, Juliet. Hello, Amy. You've not had a shout out for ages. That's terrible. Yes, I did have a lovely meal the other night. I can't remember what it was. It was the Mexican one. Very nice. Anyway, of all the things that you have sent me this week, there's one that I'm really, really excited about.
What is it? This one?
It's this pink envelope that you sent everything in. It's really, really nice.
Oh, you like it?
Yeah, and I've made sure that I opened it really carefully, so I'm going to keep it.
Oh, you! It's got print. What are you going to use it for? Put sandwiches in it.
I love stationery. Don't you love stationery?
I love stationery.
Oh,
God, I could spend all day in paper chase.
Oh, paper chase. Hi, Selena.
Or if you go to like Selfridges stationery department.
Is that good?
It's another world. It's another world. Don't all girls love stationery?
I don't know.
It starts when we're little, I think. Like, I loved getting a new pencil case or like a new notebook, and I still love that.
Oh, or the rubbers that, you know, you got like novelty rubbers on the end of your pencil. And did you get them little fruits?
Actually, I didn't like the novelty rubbers.
Why?
Too big and bulbous. I like neat things.
Bulbous? That's not a nice word. There's no need for that kind of language.
They get in the way. They get in the way.
Oh my goodness. There's something else. Paper chase, I think, is gone.
No, it hasn't.
I think
it's still in Victoria Station.
Well, I think it was certainly, you know, under threat. Oh, don't take that for gospel. People are getting upset.
Do you know where does do really good stationery? And I don't know if it's part of Paper Chase as well. Is Next. If you go to a big Next, they have loads of stationery, and I don't know if it's part of Paper Chase or not, but
I don't know.
A little nugget there.
There's other people reacting very, very badly to bulbous.